Hello student, I am Ismail Kasuri, the math teacher. Today we are going to solve section 3 of mathematics, which is non-calculator questions, and we have 25 minutes for 20 questions, nearly 75 seconds for each question. This section is divided into two parts. Nearly 16 questions or 15 questions are MCQs and 5 questions are grading question in which no option is given to you. So keep it in your mind, 75 seconds are only available to solve one question. These formulas are given to you, but during the exams you have not so much time to come back to this formula sheet. You have to memorize. It's better to memorize all these formulas. So first of all, let's start this questions. So the first question is, as you know, that x minus 1 over 3 is equal to x, and what is k is equal to k, and what is the value of k? The value of k is 3 and you want to calculate x. So put 3 here. So x minus 1 is equal to 3 times 3. So x is equal to 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. So this one is the answer. So D is the answer. Now we are moving on question number 2. So this is the positive value plus value, so real is added into real and imaginary is added into imaginary. So 7 minus 8, that is equal to minus 1. These two are not the answer, only A and B is the answer. So we will compare 3 plus 9, that is equal to 12. So A is the suitable answer for you. So now move on, question number 3. On Saturday afternoon, Armand sent M text message each hour for 5 hours, and Terion sent P text message each hour for 4 hours. Now M text for 5 hours, so that is 5M, that is Armand do. And what is Terion do? P text message for 4 hours, so 4P. Now total we have to add it up. So 5M plus 4P, C is the suitable answer for you. Okay. Next, question number 4. Kathy repair technician. Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones she needs to repair. The number of phones that she has left to fix, that is the important thing, at the end of each day can be estimated by this, and P is the number of phones left, and D is the number of days that she worked in a week. What is the meaning of value of 108 in this question? So what is the meaning of 108 in this question? So P is equal to 108 minus 23 days. So Kathy will complete the repair within 108 days? No. Kathy start each week with 108 phone to fix. Okay. So the phone number cannot be negative. So these 108 is the initial number which she has to fix every week. Okay. So B is the suitable answer. Kathy repair phones at a rate of 108 per hour. No, 108 per hour mean 108 into 24 for a day. So B is the suitable answer. Now we are moving on, question number 5. Which of the following is equivalent to the express above? याद रखें, यहाँ पे जब मैं क्वेश्चन देखता हूं, ये 3y square है, here also 3y square. So minus 3y square is minus time minus 3y, it becomes minus 3y square minus time minus, that is plus 3y square. So there will be no y square term in the answer. So this one is not the answer, this one is not the answer. So answer is either A or either C. So No other term is cancelled out, is being cancelled out, so only C is the answer. So that is the way I have solved this process without calculating. Otherwise, you can add this term with this term. So x square y plus x square y, that is 2x square y, that is only possible in C part. Okay. Moving on, question number 6. A pediatrician used the model above to estimate the height of a boy. What is it? H is the height of a boy in inches. In term of the boy's age A. A is the boy age and H is the height of the boy. So between the age of 3 to 5, based on a model, what is the estimated increase in boys in inches of the boy's age each year? Simply, you can calculate when A is equal to 2, H is equal to 3 times 2 plus 28.6. So you can easily write 34.6, and here is to 15 plus 28.6, that is equal to 43.6. Keep it in your mind that only this value has been changed. This value remain constant and will not change. So 6 and 15. What is difference between 15 and 6? That is equal to 9. 15 and 6, the answer is equal to 9. So 9 is the change in 3 years. Answer is A. 9 is the total change in 3 years. So answer is 3. There is another way to solve this question. There are nearly 5 to 6 methods you can solve this question easily. Okay. The following above formula gives you the monthly payment M needed to pay off a loan P. Monthly payment M to pay off a loan P. ठीक है, dollar at R% annual interest over n months. Which is the following gives P in term of M, R and N? Obviously, when you want to make P subject, this denominator will multiply here and numerator becomes denominator. So 1 plus R over 1200 into N minus 1 will multiply with P. Will multiply with P. Obviously, it's a denominator, that is here. This one is the numerator. So this one B is the final answer. Okay. Question number 8. If A over B is equal to 12, we need 4 times B over A. So A over B is 12. What is B over A? B over A is equal to 1 by 2. Multiply both sides by 4. So it become 2. It become 4B over A. So answer is 2. What is here is 2. Now, question number 9. It's a system of simultaneous equation. Here we can write this thing as 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 23, and I will multiply this equation with 3. So minus 3x plus 6y is equal to minus 57. Add these values. So it becomes 10y is equal to minus 80 and y is equal to minus 8. So this one is the answer. You have no need to calculate x again. So in this question, g of x is equal to ax square plus 24, and we know that g of 4 is equal to 8 or g of minus 4. Keep it in your mind, this 4 is substituted in x square position. So 4 square is 16, minus 4 square is also equal to 16. So there will be no change in the answer. So g of minus 4 is equal to g of plus 4. So what is g of plus 4? Is 8. So g of minus 4 is also equal to 8. So A is the answer. Question number 11. In this question, B and C are the price of beef and chicken. He want to calculate the price of beef or a price of chicken when both prices are equal. So first of all, we have to calculate x for this purpose. So 2.35 plus 0.25x is equal to 1.75 plus zero point 0.4x. So 2.35 minus 1.75, that will be equal to 0.15x. Here you can calculate x, 0.60 over 0.15, that is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. For beef value is equal to 2.35 plus 0.25 times 4, that is exactly equal to 1. So 3.35, the answer is C. A line in xy plane passes through origin. It's a question of line that is equal to y is equal to mx plus b. Any line which is passes through origin, here b is equal to 0. So equation of line is equal to y is equal to mx, and here m is given to you. So y is equal to 1 by 7x. Okay, if x is equal to 7, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 14, y is equal to 2. So the pair 14 and 2 is available here, and pair 7 and 1 is not available here. This is just for confusing. So x, this should be x, this is y. So x should be greater than y. So that is 14 and 7. This one is the answer. Question number 13. X is greater than 3. The purpose of x is greater than 3 because there will be no negative value and there will be no negative fraction in this question. Okay. So keep it in your mind. Denominator's denominator is always numerator. So when we are going to take LCM of this, that is x plus 2 and x plus 3, and this is also numerator here. This becomes x square plus 5x plus 6, and this should be in numerator. Only this answer has this value in numerator. No other answer is satisfying. X square plus 5x plus 6 in numerator, and denominator cannot be cancelled out here, so it may be x plus 3 plus x plus 2. So 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 is denominator and x square plus 5x plus 6 is numerator. You just have to judge the questions. You have no need to solve all the questions properly. Okay. So question number 15. Move to question number 15. So there are 7 or 8 different questions solution. So I will explain the most fastest solution of this question. So you know that a plus b is equal to 8, and you know that a into b is 15. A multiplied by b is equal to 15. And what is c? C is equal to 7a plus 2b. You can write 2a plus 2b plus 5a. So this one, 2 times a plus b plus 5a. So what is a plus b? A plus b is 8. So 2 times 8 plus 5a, that is 16 plus 5a. The minimum answer should be 16. So, and the other answer is greater than 16. So any answer which have a value lesser than 16 is not acceptable. So these three are eliminated. This is the one process, shortest process. Here you can find the answer. There are a lot of other process. We are going to solve a simultaneous equation by which we can calculate the value of all these. Here is an other method during which we can calculate. The other method is, we know that a plus b is equal to 8. So what is the possible value of a and b? So keep it in your mind, both value of A and B are positive because A plus B is equal to 8 and the product is positive. So either both value is positive and both value is negative. If one value is positive and one value is negative, then A plus B is not 8, more than 8 or something else. So these are the rules which we use. So it may be 1 and 7, but it may be 2 and 6, it may be 3 and 5, it may be 4 and 4 and reverse. So this is the most suitable method for A plus B is equal to 8 and AB is equal to 15. So we can easily give a statement that A plus B is equal to 8. Either A is 3, B is 5 or A is 5, B is 3. So what is C now? The C is 7A plus 2B. So A is 3, 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5, that is equal to 41, and C is equal to, now 7 times A, sorry, this one is 31, and 7 times 5 plus 2 times 3, that is also equal to 41. So this is another option. Here you can calculate the answer is D. There are a lot of other options by which you can easily calculate which one is the answer. Question number 14, very easy question of indices. So x 3x minus y is equal to 12, and what is the value of 8 raised to power x and 2 raised to power y? We all know that x is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So it is equal to 2 raised to power 3 times x over 2 raised to power y. We can write it as 2 raised to power 3x minus y. And this information is given to us, that is equal to 2 raised to power 12. So answer is A. A is the most suitable answer for this system. As we already have solved question number 15, so all MCQ section has been over. Now we will solve the gradient question. Gradient question is little difficult. Because of that, there is no option and there is no falsification test, and a lot of other tests is applicable here. Here you have to solve all the questions with full-fledged working. Now move on, question number 16. So t square minus 4 is equal to 0, and you know that t square minus 2 square is equal to 0. So either t minus 2 or t plus 2 equal to 0. From here t is equal to 2 or t is equal to minus 2. But keep it in your mind, t is greater than 2. So ignore this. This one is the answer. Question number 17. In a summer camp, a counselor wants to find the length of x. X is unknown in feet across a lake at presented in the sketch above. The length of AB, ED, BD and CD on the sketch is determined by 18 feet. 1800 feet is AB. So what is AB? 1800, and ED is 1400, EB 1400, okay. BD is 7, BD is 700, and CD is 800. Segment AC and BD intersect at B, and this angle is equal to this angle. So keep it in your mind, these two angles are given equal. So in other words, this angle is also equal to this angle because vertically opposite angle. If two angle of triangle 1 is equal to two angle of triangle 2, these are similar triangles. When triangles are similar, so हम क्या लिखेंगे? We will write x over 800 is equal to x over 800 is equal to 1400 over 700, because the side opposite to this and the side opposite to this are in same ratio. So what is x? X is equal to 2 times 800, that is equal to 1600. So 1600 is the answer. Keep it in your mind. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to. In this question, AB is equal to 1800 and EB is equal to 1400. Okay. BD is equal to 700 and CD is equal to 800. Okay. So these values are given to you. CD is 800, BD is equal to 700. Keep it in your mind. This side, this angle equal to this angle. So this side and this side is in proportion. And and this side is also in proportion. And the angle, this angle is equal to this angle. These are vertically opposite angles. If two angles of a triangle is equal to two angles of another triangle, these two triangles are similar. When triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are in the ratio. You can write x over 800 is equal to 1400 over 700, because 1400 and 700 are the corresponding sides. So this one is 2. Here x is equal to 800 times 2, that is equal to 1600. So answer of this question is 1600, that is equal to x. Okay. Question number 18. X plus y is equal to minus 9 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 25. According to the system of the equation above, what is the value of x? So there are two or three values. Either you can multiply this equation by 2. So 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 18 and x plus 2y is equal to minus 25. So you can subtract them. X is equal to 7 only. The answer is x is equal to 7. So but the easiest way is that x plus y is equal to minus 9 and x plus 2y is equal to minus 25. Here you will subtract them. So x cut by x minus y is equal to 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. So y is equal to minus 16. You can put any in any equation. So battery is first equation and then you can get that x is equal to 7. Both are the solution of this equation. Question number 19 is an identity. Whatsoever is the value of sin x, the rule is that sin x is equal to cos 90 minus x and cos x is equal to sin 90 minus x. For these rules you can calculate, you can watch my video. Okay, so cos 90 minus x is also equal to 4 by 5 and that is also equal to 0.8. So very easy question. Question number 20. There are a lot of ways to solve this question. So we want to calculate 2a. Multiply this value with 2. So 2a is equal to 10 times under root 2. We move this 10 inside the square root. So 2 times 100, that is equal to 2 times x. So comparing these two values, x is equal to 100. So easy question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.